What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we're continuing upgrading some lights on the 5th gen Ram. 2 videos ago we upgraded the headlight bulbs, the low beam headlight bulbs, and the fog light bulbs with some last fit LED white lights. Last video we upgraded the OEM amber cab lights with a really nice set of Recon smoked cab lights that light up bright white. And then in today's video we're going to be upgrading the OEM turn signal lights, like the mirror lights, with a really nice set of Boost Auto Parts switchback lights, kind of completing the overall look and feel of the 5th gen, making all the lights nice and bright white. The only thing I'm going to have to start doing here is figuring out what I want to do with the OEM housings to get rid of the rest of the amber. But other than that, man, we're moving right along. But first, let's give some diesel appreciation love here. This Ram here is the first diesel vehicle I have ever owned, and then this past week I just picked up a new daily driver, and that new daily driver is a 2011 Jetta TDI, a little 2.0 turbo diesel. This thing so far has been, I mean, really nice to me. I've only probably put about 150 miles on it. It's in really good condition. All Cocoa Dune leather interior, 6-speed manual, 114,000 miles. Not bad, 114,000 miles, in pretty good shape. Sunroof, the whole 9 yards, unmolested, except for a quarter intake, which I just put on last night. There's the OEM parts right there. This thing runs and drives pretty dang good. So just kind of want to keep you guys in the loop because you might see this on the channel from time to time. Back to the main topic of the video, Boost Auto Parts. These guys hooked me up once again with a really nice care package. I got some koozies. Got a plethora of decals. This thing is badass. Love this decal. And then we got some mirror lights. So this is a really simple mod, really simple and easy mod to do to your 5th gen to upgrade the appearance. Look at those. That is nice. So a lot easier to do than last video. These guys just, boom. That's gonna look really, really good. Bam. So these lights are gonna be a hell of a lot easier to replace than what I did last week with all the cab lights, just because this is how, look how easy this is. All you gotta do to access this light right here in the 5th gen mirrors, you just gotta push your convex mirror all the way out. You gotta push this mirror in too, which I'm gonna do electronically with my buttons. Get your fingers behind this and pull this mirror off, like this, the convex part, the blind spot mirror. That's always the hardest part because you don't want to break the mirror. You pull this off, and then I'll show you real quick. There's literally one bolt holding this on, and then one plug. Undo the one bolt with the T15 Torx, unplug it, this pops out, put the new boost ones in, call her a day, looking oh so good. Let me get this mirror off real quick and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Alright, convex mirror actually popped off a lot easier and quicker than I thought. Didn't really require too much pressure here. This popped off thankfully. And then if you could see in here, that's the connector for the mirror light. And there is a little T15 Torx bit right there. I'm going to pop these two things off, take that light off, put the new light on, and that's like legitimately it. So, one sec. Just like that, super easy. That unplugs, mirror lights out right here. OEM mirror light made in China, aftermarket mirror light made in Boost Auto Parts. So same thing, there's the old one, well that's the new one, here's the old one. These things look so much better. These plug right into the same old, use the same mounting, same everything. So this guy, boom. Just like that, not plugged in, looks a heck of a lot better, especially with the smoked cab lights. White mirror light, smoked cab lights, smoked mirror light. Smoked mirror light. That's sweet. Just gonna plug this guy in. And yes sir, that looks good. Running lights on, nice bright and white. All the cab lights nice bright and white. It's hard to tell because the sun's so shiny. But then this side you can see lame and amber. So if I put my turn signal on, well, I'll put the flashers on. Flashers on, you can see how the OEM one blinks amber. And this guy's also gonna blink amber, which is sweet. But the nice thing is, as soon as I shut my flashers off, it goes back and lights up freaking white. Yo, is that so sweet. I love that, that is sick. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the other side since the sun's like right here in my driveway, not here. Let me do this side real quick and I'll turn the truck around so that way you can kind of see like where it's a little bit more shady. The one day I filmed with my truck facing down the driveway, it's the sun's in the wrong position. Let me do that side real quick and I'll turn the truck around.
A few moments later.
All right, I'm gonna explain something to you guys right now. You either know that this looks delicious or you're freaking wrong. You either know this looks good or you're wrong. 100%. That looks good. I'll obviously show you some night shots here in a second, but so check this out. White mirror light. You put your turn signal on. Oh, it's Switchbacks amber. That is so sick. That looks so good. So good, super, I mean that took less than 5 minutes, let's be real. And then, I mean we got the white fog lights. These light up amber, so we gotta do something about that, and then that's amber. But other than that, I think a night shot of this truck's gonna look phenomenal. But with the lights off, this is the whole approach I was going for. There's no like white light anymore, like or like no clear white lens kind of distracting you. It's just like a nice smoked LED light, and then what we got up front. So I think it looks really good. Alright guys, that was super quick and easy. If you don't like my install videos, I will link Boost Auto Parts install video down in the description below. They do a really good job. I'm one person. I can't film and get in tight spots all at one time. So if you don't like my video, you can definitely watch theirs. Also, I will link these Boost Auto Parts Switchback mirror lights in the description below. They're like 150 bucks. Straight up took me less than 5 minutes to install. It made these mirrors look so much better, and now they go really nicely with my Recon cab lights. I think it definitely makes the front end of the truck look a heck of a lot better. I hope you guys agree. That's all I got for you guys. Stay tuned, like the video if you haven't already, subscribe, join the family, join the build, and maybe some TDI content, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.